I thought to complete sets. Okay, nothing to study sets specially. That means already we studied in sets grade 10. The thing is you have to study three circles. That is the difference. And also you have to identify, we can start our physical classes now. I don't know because we didn't get permission yet. I don't know what about your other classes. Still, we didn't get official permission to conduct physical classes, right? So, till we get permission, we have to continue like this. At least we'll finish the syllabus, we'll cover the syllabus, then we can do papers if we got permissions. Okay, I don't know, we will get permission or not. Okay, we don't know about those things. Okay, shall we move to the so sets? I thought to explain through a question. So okay, the related set in sets you are facing difficulties means that is really the reading problem. You have to read and understand the question. That is very important. The reading, if you are 100% okay in reading and understanding, you can get full marks in sets. Very simple questions they will ask. Okay, so today we will go to the one first. I will put a question. After that, I will explain that questions. Okay, I will give 2 to 3 seconds or minutes to read that question first because reading is very important. You have to read and understand. Then easy. Okay, so go through this question. I have given a question here. Okay, you can go through, read this question first, please. After that, we will discuss this. Okay, still we didn't get permission. I don't know why. Yeah, Miss Niraina, I have told that is still online classes, right? Not physical classes. If we can start physical classes, that is very good from my point of view. Okay, so what is this? Is 50 children? Okay, go through this. 50 children won a poetry recitation competition in, then won 50 children. They have marked on the Venn diagram 50 children won in on a poetry recitation competition in which 200 children participated. The total number of students is 200 students participated for the poetry recitation competition. Okay, so now go through this. Six girls and 8 boys participated from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. So this is the students, this circle indicate students of Rangala Mahavidyalaya. This is girls from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Okay. So how many girls from Rangala Mahavidyalaya? 6 girls. So you have to write 6 on the border. Very important. You have to write 6 on the border. 6 girls represent these circles because there are 2 parts. We don't know which one we are here for, here 2, here 3, here 3. We don't know the number. So the total circle represents 6. 6 girls. Total number of students is 6. 6 girls and 8 boys. Is there any circles representing boys circle? Is there any circle represent boys circle? No boy circle is there. So go through. There are 6 girls and 8 boys. 6 girls plus 8 boys. Total number of students representing Rangala Mahavidyalaya. How many students participated? 6 plus 8 is 14. So number of students participated from students from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. The circle represent students from Rangala Mahavidyalaya is 14. Total number of students is 14. Girls are 6. The remaining part is for boys. Except the girls circle, others are boys. We don't know which part we can write for or 10 or 8 from that. From 8 boys, we don't know which number we have to write. So we have to write on the border. Is it clear? 6 girls, you have to write 6 on the border, girls circle. 8 boys. There is no boys circles to write 8. The total number of students from Rangala Mahavidyalaya is 6 plus 8. That is 14. You have to write here. Students of Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Okay, now see, 4 of those girls. How many girls are there? 6 girls are there. 4 of those girls out of these 6, 4 girls won the recitation competition. 4 girls won. This is the circle representing winning. One, and 4 girls. Girls and the circle won. Intersecting parties 4 girls who won the recitation competition is 4. Is this clear? This is girls who won the recitation competition is 4. So total number of girls from Rangala Mahavidyalaya is 6. Among those, 4 won means how many remaining? 6 minus 4 is 2. So 4 won, 2 of the girls fail. Okay. They didn't won in the recitation competition. Okay, first one. Include this information in the following Venn diagram. Done. Include the information we have done. First one. Okay. Now the second one. If 43 of the winning students, altogether there are 50 winning students. Among them, 43 of the winning students are not, reading very important, not from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. 43 are not belonging to Rangala Mahavidyalaya. This circle represents Rangala Mahavidyalaya. The 43 are not belonging to Rangala Mahavidyalaya means they have already won but not belonging to the Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Then we have to write 43. 43 we can't include in this circle because that circle represents Rangala Mahavidyalaya. These 43 students are not from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Okay, hope that is clear. Now go through this. Total circle is 50. Total circle is 50. From that we have marked 43 and 4. Can you notice? This total circle represents 50. From 50, we have marked 4 and 43. How much is remaining? 4 and 43 already marked. From 50, if you deduct 43 and 4, 43 and 4 is 47. 50 minus 47 is 3. You have right here 3. We didn't read any of the question. We are just filling the blanks. Why we are filling the blanks mean in order to answer the question. That will be helpful. The total number of winning students is 50. From that we have marked already 43. Here 4 girls are there from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. 43 plus 4 is 47. The remaining winning students is 3. Is it okay? Now check this circle. This circle is 14. Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Students of Rangala Mahavidyalaya is 14. From that 14, go through here 3, here 4, here 2. What is the balance here? We have to write. From 14, 6 are girls. 14 minus 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 14 minus 9 is how many? 5. You have to write here. Okay. So hope it's clear. Listen once again. This total circle is 14 students. Rangala Mahavidyalaya, the number of students are 14. From that 14, we have marked 3, 4 and 2. This 14 circle. Within this 14 circle, 3, 4 and 2. 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 14 minus 9 is 5 students. The Venn diagram is clear. Hope it's clear, right? The third one. So we didn't finish this. Rangala Vidyalaya. How many boys? How many boys? Boys means we can't take these two. These two are girls, correct? How many boys who participated from Rangala Mahavidyalaya did not win the competition? Did not win. These are the winning. This circle, this black color, I have highlighted the circle in black color. That circle represent one winning. So these two, except this black colored highlighted circle, these two are not win. They did not win. 2 and 5, they did not win. But they're asking how many boys? 2 is girls because that is from the girls circle. Then 5 are boys. So what is how many boys for the second one? How many boys? So you have to write how many boys, that is 14 minus 9. You can write 5. Can you hear, please? Can you hear? Yeah, can. Okay. If there are any problem, please let me know. Okay. Yes. So here 14 minus 9, 5 boys from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. They did not win the competition. Or else you can choose like this. From 8 boys, Rangala Mahavidyalaya represent 8 boys. From 8 boys, 3 of the boys won the competition. Okay, 3 of the boys won the competition. So from 8 boys, 3 boys won the competition. You can write 5 boys, they didn't won the competition. You can write this way or this way. Both the methods are correct. Is it okay? Yes, outside. If you want to find the number in outside, means the total circle is 50. 50 plus 5, 55 and 2, 57. From 200, we have to deduct 57. From 200, we have to deduct 57. You will get the outsider part. Or else you can add 43 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 and deduct from 200. Add inner parts. Don't go to add the numbers on the border. Okay. See clear? The final part. If Lal participated, Lal is a boy. That you write. Okay. So listen this. So if there are difficulties, means you have to stop and ask. So I will explain once again this question. There are 3 circles representing okay. There are 3 circles, subsets. Subsets also very important. You have to understand the subset part. That is very important. This circle represent students of Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Students of Rangala Mahavidyalaya. This circle represent girls from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Okay, that represent girls from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. This circle represents students who won the competition, recitation competition. This is given Venn diagram. Okay, this Venn diagram is already marked. Only sorry, these data are marked on this Venn diagram. Venn diagram is given and the names also mentioned. In a past paper question I saw, you have to name the sets. I will teach how to name the sets also. If there are subset, we have ignored these 2 parts to name you. I'll tell the easiest way how to name this. Okay, this is girls from, this also not girls from Rangala Mahavidyalaya because the circle is inside the Rangala Mahavidyalaya student circle. So girls from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Okay, now we'll read from first. Okay, we will read from first. 50 children won a poetry recitation competition. 50 children won. They have written 50 on the board. Is it clear? In which 200 children participated. 200 children participated. Total number this Venn diagram represent students who participate in a poetry recitation competition. 200 students participated in a recitation competition from varieties of schools. They are talking here about only students from Rangala Mahavidyalaya because maybe this Venn diagram is drawn by a student from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. That's why they have chosen that. Okay. So second one, 6 girls. 6 girls. Go through this. 6 girls. 6 girls and 8 boys participated from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. How many students altogether participated from Rangala Mahavidyalaya? 6 girls and 8 boys participated from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Okay. Altogether, how many students participated from Rangala Mahavidyalaya is 14. 6 plus 8, 14 students participated from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Okay. So, students from Rangala Mahavidyalaya is 14. We have to write the number on the border. Is it clear? Students from Rangala Mahavidyalaya is 14. 6 of them are girls. Then girls, there is a circle. 6 of them are girls. 6 girls from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. And 8 are boys. Is there any circle representing boys to write 8? No. There is no boys circles. Only girls circle is given. So you can't represent 8 on the border, because if there is another circle for boys, you can write 8 on the border of that circle. Is it okay? Now listen this. 4 of those means this, among this among these 14, 4 of those girls won. 4 of those girls won. How many girls participated? 6 girls participated from for the recitation competition. 4 of the girls won. 4 girls won. Then this is the circle representing winning. 1. And this represent girls. Girls from Rangala Mahavidyalaya and 1. This part is 4. 4 girls. 4. Then this total circle is 6. From this 6, 4 are girls means 4 girls, 1 means 2 girls, they did not win the competition. 4 girls, 1 means we have to write 4 inside this circle. And 2 of the girls, they did not win the competition. Is it okay? That's done. Now we'll read the first part. Include this information in the following Venn diagram. Done. We have included. Second one. If 43 of the winning students are not from Rangala Mahavidyalaya, 43 of the winning students are not from Rangala Mahavidyalaya, not from Rangala Mahavidyalaya, then we are to write this 43. These 43 students, winning students, are not from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Those who didn't understand the second part, listen carefully. Okay. 43 are not from Rangala Mahavidyalaya, but they have won. Then this is the full winning circle. From that, 43 is not belonging to Rangala Mahavidyalaya. It can't go inside Rangala Mahavidyalaya, because 43 are outside students except Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Then you have to write this 43 here. 43 students won, but they are not belonging to Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Then you have to write 43 here. Is it okay? Now the winning circle is total. They have marked 50. From 50 we have marked 43 here. Here 4. Total number is 50. 50 minus 43 and 4. 43 plus 4 is 47. 50 minus 47 is total circle. The border means the total is 50. From total 50, 43 here, 4 here, the balance. 43 plus 4 is 47. 50 minus 47. From 50, if you subtract 47, that is 3. 3 you have right here. Is it okay? How we got 3? Yes. Now represent this. Check this. This circle is completed. Total is 6. We have marked 4 and 2, 6. Now check this circle. Students from Rangala Mahavidyalaya is highlighted. I have highlighted the students from Rangala. If this meeting is ending means please join after praying. I will give 5 minutes to pray, right? Okay, now we'll listen those who didn't understand the second part. Still we didn't complete the second part. Okay, go through that. I have only marked 43. If 43 of the winning students from are not Rangala Mahavidyalaya, go through that. Okay. You see the total number is 50. Okay. Listen this. Hope you can hear. Okay. So here the total number of students is 50. 43 are not from Rangala Mahavidyalaya means 43 we have written here, and this total circle is 6, here 4, here 2. Then go through from 50, 43 is marked, 4 is marked, 43 plus 4 is 47. 50 minus 47 is 3. You have to write 3 here. Is it okay? Now, I didn't finish the second part yet. You can listen. This circle I have marked with a red green color, highlighted. That circle represents students from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. How many students from Rangala Mahavidyalaya? 14 students. So here see, this is 3, here 4, here 2. 3 plus 4 plus 2. What is the answer? 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Is it clear? 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 14 minus 9. From 14, if you deduct 9 is 5. Have to write 5 here. Because the total must be 14. To get 14, there are 3, 4, 2. Remaining is 5. Is it clear? Okay, we have completed the Venn diagram. Now they are asking, not from Rangala Mahavidyalaya. Now only we are moving to the second question. How many boys? How many boys? How many boys means we can't take the girl circle. I will shade, okay? Highlight. Hope you can get it. How many boys means we can't get this circle. This is not the answer for the third part. Just I am explaining you to cover this. This is highlighted part represent girls. They're asking how many boys? Boys. Boys means except the girls, others are boys. 43 also boys. I will box it. 3 also boys. 5. Now listen this. 24 families on both dogs and cats. Dogs and cats. And go through this. This is dog circle. Here's the arrow. This is dog circle. I will highlight this. Dogs and cats. Dogs and cats. This part. This is cat circle. Okay. Dogs and cat is 24. This part. Intersection. Dog circle and cat circle intersecting 24. Dog and the cat circle. This fully is 24. Intersection. You know intersection? Dog circle, cat circle intersecting. Can you notice now? This is 24. This full is 24. They have given 24 families, dogs and cats. Then I will write 24 here. That is the border, because if I write here, that is complicated. That's why I have written. If it is not complicated, you can write here itself in the border. So this total is 24. Here 4, 24 minus 4. Here the balance is 20. Hope it's clear now. Okay. So we will move to the next one. Same, similarly, 21 families, dogs and fish. Dogs and fish. Go through the border of dogs and fish. Okay, very good. This is dogs. Okay. This is fish. Dogs and fish intersecting. What is the number? They have given 21. 21 families, dogs and fish. Then here 21. Both 21 means here 4. 21 minus 4 is 17. Okay, 21 minus 4 is 17. Is it clear? 21 minus 4, that is 17. Is it clear? Okay, 21 minus 4 is 17. Hope it's clear. Okay, now listen this. Can you notice the dog's full circle is completed? 19, 24, 17. Full is complete. Okay, now we will move to the next part. Okay, now we'll read. 11 families do not own any of the above 3 types of pets. None of the 3 types. No dogs, no cats, no fish. Other pets. Then we have to write 11 is outside. That's more clear. Okay. Now listen this. First one, copy the Venn diagram, copy the given Venn diagram onto your answer script and include the above information in it. Already done, first one. Second one, the number of families that own. We are going to do the second one. Pay more attention to this question. Those who have understood, those who didn't clear, not clear means listen carefully. The number of families that own dogs. Dogs that own dogs. Dogs. Is. Can you notice the word is? Is means what is the symbol in mathematics? Equal. We are asking the number of families who own dogs is equals to twice. Twice. Twice means twice. Two times. Two times is twice. 2 into twice the number of families that own fish. Fish. Twice the number of families that own fish. That is the formula. Why I am writing these formulas means to make it as more clear. Okay. Now listen the second one once again. We are talking about dogs. The number of families that own dogs is the word is there. Dogs. Dogs is means equal. Twice the number of families that own fish. Twice means 2 times fish. Fish circle is not given, but dog circle is given. Dog circle. Who are the members inside the dog circle? How that 11 came means 11 is they have given 11 families do not own any of the above 3. Not belonging to 3. They don't have dogs, they don't have cats, they don't have fish. Then outside. That is given here. That's how you got 11. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Dogs is equals to twice fish. Now see the members in the dog's cage. Dog's cage. Dog's cage, who and who are the members? 19 plus, who are the other members? 20 plus 4 plus 17 equal to times fish. If you add all these together, dogs family, the families who own dogs, the families who own dogs, how many families own dogs? If you add these 4 together, you will get 20 plus 17 plus 4 plus 19 is 60. Correct? 60 is equals to 2 times fish. Okay. An incomplete Venn diagram drawn to represent information on the number of students who study the subjects economics, business studies, and accounting in the A-level class of a certain school is shown here. Still we didn't finish our O-levels also. Okay. So in this school, every student who studies business studies, go through this. Every students, I told, every students who studies business studies also studies economics. Every students who studied business studies also studied economics. I told, also studies, also eat, also participate. What is the inner circle? First one. First one is inner circle, business study.
ஹம்தான் நல்லா பாணி பனிய போங்க எனக்கு ஏல ஹம்தான்
Okay. So listen, business studies. Okay. First one is business studies. So business studies, first word is business studies. You have to write business studies in a circle, business studies and economics. Also studies economics, economics is the outer circle. First word is business studies, inner circle, outer circle is economics. They didn't mark. You have to mark. Is it clear? Also, the word also studies economics. Also eats what day? Also eat cake means first word is inner circle, second word is outer circle. Catch like that at least. First word is inner circle, the second word is outer circle. Okay, copy the given Venn diagram in your answer script and name the sets of the students who study the other two subjects suitably. We have named. Okay. Include the following information in the Venn diagram. 45 students study accounting. Accounting 45. The border you have to write 45. 45 students studies accounting. 30 students study business studies. Business studies is the smaller circle. 30 students studies business studies. 18 students study, go through, only economics. Only economics. 18 students study only economics. Economics. You can't write 18 on the border. Only economics. Only, we cannot intersect other circles. Only economics is 18. Okay, is that three clear? First one, 45 students study accounting. 30 students studies business studies. Business studies, the smaller circle, 30 students. 18 students study only economics. Only economics, 18. Is it okay? Now we'll move to the first one. Shade the regions which represent the students who study only two of these three subjects. Only two subjects. In here say only two subjects. This part, if you shade this part, this represent. Go through the border of this circle. I'm shading. Just go through the border of this circle. Border of the shaded region. The border is here. This is the border. That is economics is the larger circle. Economics and accounting. This is accounting here. See, this is the border. Accounting border is here. This is economics. Accounting and economics, two subject, only two. Go through this circle. This is business studies. You can't say business studies only because all the students who studied business studies also studies economics. Also business studies படிச்சிர எல்லாரும் economicsம் படிச்சிர. All the students who studied business studies also studies economics. Then this is the shaded region. Both region you have to shade. Okay, next one. 55 students study at least one of the two subjects, business and accounts. Business studies and accounting. Can you remember in sets we studied a formula? Okay, number of A, here the things business studies and accounting, right? Business studies, accounting, I will take A. Number of students accounting plus number of students business studies minus number of accounting intersection business studies equal number of students studying accounting union business studies. This is the formula. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B equal N of A union B. This is what we have studied. Now see this. At least means minimum requirement. I have already informed. Minimum means maximum. It can be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 100. No problem. So 55 students studies at least one of this. Means accounts, or only business or both. Altogether 55. Then the union is 55. At least union. The total number of students studies is 55. Okay. Now listen. Number of students studying accounting. Accounting is 45. Number of students studying accounting 45 plus number of students studying business studies. Business studies is 30 minus intersection is missing. Number of students studying accounting intersection business studies. 45 plus 30 is 75. 75 minus, you have to take 55 to other side, equal number of accounts intersection business studies. Without the formula also you can find no deduction of marks. They won't deduct marks. You can just write 55 minus or 40 plus 30 minus 55 also, just directly you can write this way. I will write 45 plus 30 minus 55 This way also you can write 75 minus 55. You will get 75 minus 55 is 20. This method also correct. Or else you can apply the formula method. Why I applied formula method is, you will ask why you are adding, why you are subtracting. This is the reason to add and subtract the formula. Okay, 75 minus 55 is 20 students. 20 students studying accounts and business studies. 20 students. Then account circle and business studies. This is accounts and business studies. Accounts, business studies. This is business studies. This is accounts. Then here 20. We will wait for the azan, right? Okay, we will continue. 20 students belonging to accounts and business. Account circle is this. This is the account circle border. And this is business studies circle, 20 intersection. This total circle is 30. 30 minus 20 is 10. 30 minus 20 is 10. Is it clear? Full circle is 30. 30 minus 20 is 10. Okay, this border is not mentioned. This border is mentioned, but 2 cages we have to fill. So we don't know how to fill. So we'll move to the next part. Third part done. Sorry, this is the third part, right? Third part. Fourth, if the number of students who study only accounting, number of students who study only accounts, we are talking about only accounts means this region, correct? Only accounts is, okay, only accounts is twice the number of students. Only accounts is means equal, twice means 2 times, twice the number of students is twice the number. Here see is twice, that's why I put 2. Twice the number of students who study business studies but not accounting. Business but not accounting. Should study business studies, not accounts. Okay, here this full circle is business studies. From business studies circle, not accounting means we have to remove the accounts part. Not accounting means we have to remove this. Not accounting means it cannot intersect accounting circle. Then the number is 10. Not accounting means the number is 10. So the number is 10. So business studies, studying business studies is 30 and 20 and 10. Should study business studies, not accounts. 20 are studying accounting also. So we can't take this 20 from 30 minus 20, 10. So it should be 2 times 10. 2 tens are 20. Only accounts is 20. We found here 20. Okay, now we can complete the account circle. Account circle is total is 45. Here 20, here 20, 40, here 5, 45. Is it okay? Question is, number of students who study economics. Economic students. Economic full circle, we have to add economics. The numbers are 18 plus this full 30 also you can take part by part. 10 plus 20 also you can write. 20 plus 10 plus economic circle, this is 5 all together. 18 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. Economics full circle I have added. Full economic circle. 10, 25, 18. That is, if you add 30, 48, 53 students. 53 students. Okay, that's all with today. So no need formula here. No need this formula. Okay. I have marked these formulas. Why means to understand easily. No need formula. That's why I told reading problem. No need these formulas. You can, without the formula, you can work out not wrong. 100% that is correct. 100% that is correct. Okay. You need to explain the last one once again. Last question is they are asking only accounts. Only accounts they didn't mention. Only accounts is, yes, see, only accounts is means equal. 2i is the number. 2i is the number. Is 2i is the number of students who studies business studies but not accounting. Business, not accounting. Business studies, not accounts. Okay. Business studies, not accounting. Okay. So only accounts. Only accounting is, only accounting not given. We only found this. Don't know equal to I is the number. Business studies, not accounting. Business studies circle is this. This is the business studies circle. Not accounting. Not accounting means we have to cover the accounts part. Accounts is this. This part we have to cover means 10. Not accounts means 10. So 2 into 10, 20. That's why I have marked 20 here. This 20. Means this total circle is 45. Here 20. Total account circle is 45. Here 20. Here 20. The balance is 5. 20 plus 20 plus 5 is 45. Okay. The question is they're asking find the number of students studying economics. Economics is this green color circle, full green circle. That green circle, the numbers are 18 is one of the number, 10 and 20 and 5. 18, 20, 10, 5 equal 53 students. Okay, that's all. So the homework is 2017 paper, 2017. Please send your answers 2017. Okay. Yes, you can mark 53 on the econ circle. Not wrong. You can mark 53 here. But you have to write the answer in the answer sheet